All right, guys, welcome back. Today we got Wallmaster garage storage. These are going to be for my rims that I have back there. I'm tired of all this extra space. I'm slowly trying to work it all out. I'm thinking about putting them here instead of your traditional tire rack. I'm going to be able to actually see the rim here instead of just the side profile. It's going to be this way. So I bought these on Amazon. They're about 22 bucks each. They're about 10 inches long. They have rubber grommets on them. Let me open them up and show you out. Okay, let me see if I can do this with one hand. Here it is on the inside. It's basically straight to the point. Pretty sturdy. Welds look somewhat decent. That is a little weird. Doesn't look like it's messed up though. Yeah, that's all it is. Basically just hooks like this, comes on here, find a stud, put it up on there, and boom, there you go. So I went with 10 inches just because, you know, my tires are pretty wide. I didn't know how it was going to hook onto there, so if I need to shave it down, I can always shave it down. But yeah, here they are, 2-pack. Come with some anchors. I don't know if I trust anchors with my rims. I'm more gonna drill into the stud. I trust that more. Then here's the other pack. Same thing, vice versa. So yeah, let's see how this goes. I'm probably gonna put it here. I'm still thinking about it. Or I might move it into this area, but I gotta see where my studs are first before I do anything. So I'll get back to you. So I'm kind of liking this area more, just in case if I have to open this up, I can. That's my water heater. I might have to remove my MyQ to my garage door opener. But the stud right here, probably 16 inches, probably somewhere right here is my other stud. So I got 2 studs right here. Space them out, probably put 2 and 2 and 2 and 2, or do like a little zigzag. We're gonna see. I might have to move this. But let me get started on that. All right, I brought this up just to test it out. These are my spares. These are the original rims that came with the car. It looks like these are the replicas of the ZR1. This is the 10-inch. Looks like it fits perfectly. I am worried about my wider ones because my backs, I don't know if you can see, but these are 325s. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can. By 19s. So, and these front ones I believe are 295. Let's see where you at. Oh, 275, sorry. And these are 275s. So, that should be fun. Let's test that out real quick. And then I also got to wash all these because they're real ugly right now. Alright guys, and here is almost 75% done. I'm putting up these 2 left. All it is just a screw and another screw. It's kind of a pain in the ass when you don't have the right angle. I'm going to take this off and try to get it because I was messing up my wall. And there it is. The 2 75s stick out just about an inch, and then these fit perfect right on the lip. The rim, not this lip, but the inner lip, fits perfectly. And these are 325s. As you can tell, big boy, and they sit beautifully. So I'll put the heavy ones on the bottom, light ones on the top, heavy, light. And then I had this in the way, so I had to work around it. And also my softener, so I had to do other stuff. But other than that, let me get y'all a better angle. And voila. So I'll let y'all know when I'm done. Thanks, guys.
Hey guys, it's me. I'm not really sure why I didn't say anything during this video. Reported it a while back. But here they are. They look amazing. I love them. If you want them, I can put them in the description below. But they've been holding for about a month now. Haven't had no issues. They look great. So check them out. Thanks, guys.